At the checkout.
Hi. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thanks. I'd like to pay.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, but I'd like to get one.
Sure. Please fill out this form.
Do you need my ID?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Great. Here's your card.
Thanks. How much is the total?
With the discount, it's $35.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Insert your card here.
Enter my PIN.
Yes, please.
Done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Do I need a bag?
We have reusable bags for $3.
Okay, I'll take one.
Here you go.
You too. Bye.
Have a great day.
At the pharmacy.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I need something for a headache.
Do you get headaches often?
No, just today. I didn't sleep well.
You can take ibuprofen or acetaminophen, Tylenol.
What's the difference?
Ibuprofen can also reduce inflammation.
Which is better?
For a normal headache, either one works.
Okay, I'll take ibuprofen.
250 milligrams or 500 milligrams.
500 milligrams. How often can I take it?
Up to 3 times a day with food.
Why with food?
It's easier on your stomach.
Any side effects?
Sometimes I get stomach irritation.
Okay. How much is it?
$5.50 for a 20-count bottle.
I'll take it.
Anything else?
Do you have nasal spray?
Yes, for congestion.
Yes, I have a cold.
Use it 3 to 4 times daily, 1 spray per nostril. Don't use it longer than 6 days.
Why not longer?
It can cause rebound congestion.
Got it.
That's $6.
Do you have cough syrup? I have a dry cough.
Sure, this one is a cough suppressant.
How much should I take?
10 milliliters 3 to 4 times a day.
Great.
That's $15.
I'll take it.
Throat lozenges too, honey or menthol.
Honey, please.
Great, those are $7.
And vitamin C, maybe fizzy tablets.
Sure, orange flavor is popular. That's $10.
Okay.
Your total is $42.50.
Here's my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Feel better and drink lots of fluids.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care.
At the hotel front desk.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the Green Hotel.
Thanks. I have a reservation.
What name is it under?
Thomas Weber.
One moment. Yes, I see it.
Great.
You're staying 3 nights, correct?
Yes, until Sunday.
Perfect. You're in room 512, 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, right over there.
Thanks. Is this a key card?
Yes, an electronic key card.
Nice. What time is breakfast?
From 6 to 8 a.m.
Where is it served?
in the ground floor restaurant.
Is it included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
What's the password?
Green Hotel 2025.
Thanks. Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, every room has a safe.
Great. Is parking available?
Yes, behind the hotel. $20 per day.
Okay. What time is checkout?
By 10 a.m. on Monday.
Can I check out late?
Yes, for $30.
Okay. I'll think about it.
No problem. Do you need anything else?
Is there a gym?
Yes, in the basement. Opens 6 to 8 p.m.
Perfect. Is there a restaurant?
Yes, it opens at 5 p.m.
Can I reserve a table for 8 p.m. tonight?
Absolutely. I'll take care of it.
Thanks.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Good night.
At the post office. Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to send a package to Spain.
Sure. Do you know how much it weighs?
I'm not sure. Can you weigh it?
Yes. Please place it on the scale.
Okay, here you go.
It weighs about 5.5 pounds, 2 kilograms.
How much will that cost?
Shipping to Spain is $30.
That's fine. How long will it take?
Around 4 to 7 business days.
Do you have express shipping?
Yes, express takes 2 business days.
How much is expressed?
$50.
That's expensive. I'll take the regular shipping.
No problem. Would you like insurance?
What's that?
It protects your package if it gets lost or damaged.
How much is it?
$3 extra.
Okay, I'll add insurance.
Great. What's inside the package?
Books and clothes.
Any restricted items like liquids, batteries, or anything hazardous?
No, just books and clothes.
Perfect. Where in Spain is it going?
Madrid.
Do you have the address?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. One moment.
No problem.
Who's the recipient?
Maria Rodriguez.
And your return address?
I live at 312 Park Street.
Great. Here's your receipt with the tracking number.
Can I track it?
Yes, online on our website.
What's the website?
USPS.com.
Thanks, that's helpful.
Anything else?
Yes. Do you sell stamps?
Yes. How many?
15 stamps, please.
Domestic or international?
Domestic.
Okay, that'll be $700.
Here you go.
Thanks. Here are your stamps.
Do you have envelopes?
Yes, on the rack over there.
How much is one envelope?
45.
I'll take 5.
That's $3.50.
Here's $4.
Thanks. Here's your change.
What time do you close?
at 8 p.m.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
At the doctor's office.
Hello, Miss Lori. I'm Dr. Lucas. What brings you in today?
I don't feel well. I have bad stomach pain.
How long has that been going on?
For 2 days.
Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Do you have diarrhea or constipation?
Diarrhea.
Have you had a fever?
Yes, yesterday it was 105.4 degrees.
That's a mild fever. Did you eat anything unusual?
Maybe. I was at a party over the weekend.
Okay, I'm going to examine you now. Please lie down.
Like this?
Yes, does that hurt here?
Yes. Ouch.
I understand. It looks like a stomach virus, a stomach bug.
Is it serious?
Usually not, but you need rest and a lot of water.
What should I do?
Drink plenty of water and tea. Eat simple, soft foods.
Like what?
Soup, toast, bananas, rice.
Okay, I understand.
I will give you medicine for nausea.
Take it 3 times a day after food.
Okay, thank you.
Please avoid coffee, alcohol, and greasy food for now.
How long will it last?
About 5 to 6 days.
Can I go to work?
I recommend you stay home for a week. I will write a doctor's note.
Thank you.
Please make another appointment in 1 week at the front desk.
Okay, thanks, doctor.
Feel better soon.
Goodbye.
At the library.
Hi, welcome to the New York Public Library.
Hi. It's my first time here.
Nice. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for books about history.
U.S. history or world history?
U.S. history, especially New York.
The history section is on the 2nd floor.
How do I get there?
You can take the stairs or the elevator. They are right over there.
Thanks. Do I need a card?
Yes, to check out books, you need a library card.
How do I get one?
You can sign up at the front desk.
Does it cost anything?
It's free if you live in the city.
What do you need from me?
A photo, ID, and proof of address.
I have my ID, but not proof of address.
That's okay. You can still read in the library today.
Can I study here?
Yes, quiet study rooms are on the 3rd floor.
Are they quiet?
Very quiet. We also have individual desks.
Perfect. I'm studying for an exam.
Then you're in the right place.
Are there computers?
Yes, on the first floor.
Are they free?
Yes, but you can use them only 1 hour a day.
That's fine.
Anything else?
Do you have magazines?
Yes, you can read magazines here, but you can't take them home.
Do you have DVDs?
Yes, movies and documentaries are downstairs.
How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow up to 10 books at a time.
Nice. Do you have events?
Yes, author talks, workshops, and kids programs.
Where can I find the schedule?
On our website or on the bulletin board by the entrance.
What time do you close?
Monday to Saturday, we close at 10 p.m. On Friday, we close at 8 p.m. We are closed on Sundays.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck studying.